Alright, so this is what we're thinking about right here. We're looking at somewhere right about 40 inches long total. Right here, this is a drawer for the Legos to come off of. That's not the exact place, but that's just kind of an idea to keep it fresh in my mind. We are going to go about 30 inches tall. We want to go a little bit taller so he can grow into it. These sides here, the feet, and the perimeter of the top are all going to be in 2x3, 3x1 boards. At the top here, we're doing 6 sections of the Lego, they're like the little Lego pads or Lego stations. They're 10x10 square for Legos. And this is a top view here, so this is roughly a 4-inch wide bucket essentially on each side. I'm looking at doing here as well. Just kind of a loose guideline here, and then we're contemplating making the top here reversible as well, so that we can put a chalkboard or something on the other side. So just a loose guideline of what I'm working on right now, and we'll see where it goes. Alright guys, so what we're doing here is we have our sheet of 1/2-inch plywood. I laid 2 tiles of the Lego tiling down here to measure the width and 3 the long way, and we're going to go ahead and cut this up so we have our base, the top, to look for. From what I was reading online with reviews of a bunch of these tiles, specifically if you're ordering one of the off-brand ones, what you want to do here is you want to wait till you have the tiles and line it up, just because sometimes they'll say 10x10 or 15x15 and they'll be fractions off, and you need to either trim them or you need to adjust the table to be elsewise. So we're going to go ahead and cut this here and have the top for our table.
It'd be much easier if we had the workstation for this.
Here we go, so we have our nice top here. Gonna go ahead and double check it for square and everything. See how we did. off, I can see it based on my markings here. Yeah, we're just a smidge off. We just gotta take some off this edge here, and we should be good. Close there. And we're pretty close there, so we just got a little bit wonky on that one edge, but we should be pretty close. So we're just gonna take these out here quick and double check how everything turned out, make sure it all works out here. Perfect. So we are not too short here. Everything will fit on this table. Based on this, we can get rid of this little edge that we have here and then go ahead and start building the frame. But that's for another day. So we'll see how this goes.